Okay, so now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at having different layers. So far we've used one layer and we put all the numbers in there. So now instead of having a layer called numbers, I have a layer called 1, 2, 3, and if I wanted another layer, it is this icon right here, and you'll see it's layer 4, and watch how easy it is to move them around. You can just drag it upward. So what I'm going to show you right now is how it is to accomplish the same movie, if you will, but using different layers. And the reason you use different layers is because it's easy to identify parts of your movie. It'd be very difficult to see, like you may have noticed in the other one, when you've got all this stuff in one layer and you're in frame 30 and you're like, boy, is that the number 3 or 4? So it's much clearer when you can label your layers. So anyway, let's get going now. We have 1, and I'm going to drag through it. You can do it this way too. Hey, in frame 1 through 10, we have the number 1. And what I'm going to do now is put number 2 where the 2 is. So the most important concept is you need a circle for the ability to place an object in there, and that circle is called a keyframe. So what I'm going to do right now is hold down the control key and say insert blank keyframe, and there is my circle. It's empty, there's nothing in it. And now what I'm going to do is drag the number 2, put it on the stage. I'm happy with that, and now it's only there for 1 frame, but I know I'm going to hold down the control key, click insert frame, and we've done that before. So now from frames 11 to 20, I've got number 2, and now I want number 3. So I'm going to go to frame 21, hold down control, insert a blank keyframe, empty circle, meaning nothing there, but it's ready to accept something. I take number 3, I then make it go all the way to frame 30, and I'm going to hold down my control key like always, insert frame. So now when I drag through my movie, 1, 2, 3, perfect, and it's easier for me to see that I've got where the numbers are. 1 should be in 1, and then 2 and 3 should be in the appropriate things. What I want you to do is grab a screenshot of this and submit the score for this assignment. So what you're going to do is Shift Command 4. You then get the crosshairs, you drag through the screen so I can see that you've got 10 layers and it's all done appropriately. You click, it's going to put that file on the desktop, and you're going to submit that. That's a lot of information, but that is our goal, is to have each number in its own layer for the same amount of frames.